I'll submit that worksheet by today, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You have time. You can submit by this weekend also. Next tomorrow's class, I am plan. See, if you try all the questions today, it is fine. So that if any doubt is there, we can discuss in tomorrow's class. Otherwise, I'm
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
start with the new chapter. Okay, so better you do all the questions today and see if any doubt
Ma'am, I
is
have doubt in one question in MCQ.
MCQs.
MCQ. Okay. So just mark your doubts. We'll discuss the answers tomorrow in science class. But all of you, please go through the questions and see
Ma'am,
what
I will
answer.
submit you today because I was going to do it yesterday, but you sent it in the night, so
Huh.
you sent it in the
No,
night.
see, submission date is
You did
any
not submit
submission
in
date.
night.
I
Ma'am, you
sent it
did
in the
not.
evening only, seven
Yes, in
around
the
7.
evening.
Ma'am, can you tell me the highest and second
Yes,
of
but
two?
that time, ma'am, I went for my eye
Yesterday,
checkup, so I came late at 10 o'clock. Then I went.
science highest. Okay, okay, no problem, Abdullah. You can submit it tomorrow also, day after tomorrow also. But go through the questions and see if any doubt is there. Submission date is not tomorrow. Okay, submission date is by this weekend, by Saturday or Friday. You submit, but just go through the question and see if you are not able to do any question. Mark that question and ask it in tomorrow's class. Is it clear, everyone? Now, all of you switch on your cameras. Humaira, Muhammad,
One
Mohammadi,
second, ma'am.
Yashika, Anas. I think Anas has got some problem in internet connection. Always he gets disconnected. Yeah, Muni, what were you asking? I gave you all the highest marks yesterday, na? First, second, third highest. Hmm?
Ma'am, of
First,
science.
first highest is in science. I told na 24 is the okay. You were disconnecting continuously, na? So that is why you didn't hear. 24 is highest in science. 3 people got. Yahya, Abdullah, and Humaira. Second highest is, how much is it? 23 or 22? 23.
23.
23 is Ibrahim. Anyone else has got 23? No.
No.
Then 22 is Muhammad Muhammadi. Anyone else has got 22? No. And 21 you got. Right, Munib? Munib,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
saw that there is a big improvement in writing answers in science. Okay. But you have to improve a little more so that write your answers properly, point wise and everything, because previous science papers I have seen you were leaving the answers incomplete. Okay, so that's why you were not scoring. This time I saw that you were writing the answer and the reason, so just improve it a little more so that you can score a full perfect 25, right? Fine, Muni.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for everyone, improvement is there, but there is always scope of improvement. Okay, so keep on writing answers properly. Science में क्या होता है? You miss some points and you don't understand what is asked in the question, and that is why the mistakes happen and marks are deducted. Okay, and maths के लिए तो मैंने बताया ही है. You have to do practice, 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 practice. That's all. Practice makes a man perfect. So maths also, practice makes maths perfect for you. Okay. So what we were doing in maths, anyone remember?
We did word problems, ma'am.
Word problems of percentage, will continue with that because
Top
that is
one.
very important. You have to solve, you have to understand the word problems. So I find that children find difficulty in solving word problems. So I'll share some
And
of you
the exam word problems were very easy,
because it was
especially
just
the
decimal,
maths.
no? It was just
Ma'am, it was
decimal.
only one
Ma'am,
word
yesterday I
problem.
solved again the exam paper, ma'am.
So you understood the last question, word problem.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the difficult question on the word problem was attempted only by Abdullah. Okay, but he could not, or one more person.
Ma'am,
The last
word problem.
word problems were there. The choice was given. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
I did second one.
second one you also did wrong, and same thing you did. Okay, so you had to divide in that question. Always in word problem,
I
assume
subtract.
either you will assume X or you take small numbers and see. जैसे कि product पूछा था, product is product of two number is this, one number is this, then what is the second number? So you can do like that. Then let us suppose that one number is. Those who have not done the second one, I'm explaining the exam ka second question. You will say that let the second number be X. ठीक है? Second number be X. So product is given in the question. So X and one number is also given in the question, like 213. And product is given something 4, 5, something is given 6. Okay. So what you will do, or the value of X is equal to how much? See, you are dividing over here. 456 divided by 213. So this way you get the answer. Understood? If you don't understand anything, assume it to be X and then solve, usually in word problems. Okay, so this is just an example I gave. Numbers were different in the question. I just took my
Ma'am, people say in maths word problems most of the times they use X, ma'am.
Yes, most of the time now. That's why we teach algebra na, ki X makes your problem easier. Okay, Mr. X is solution for everything. So that is why you can assume X and solve all the questions, word problems. Now see, Rupesh, and sometimes you don't need to use X also. Sometimes the question.
Ma'am, should I continue from what we were writing yesterday? You're writing that word problems of test. 3% function.
Homework.
You have to continue.
Yes, you have to continue. How many questions we did that day? 2, na? 2 or 3?
3.
3. Continue from there. Some of the questions we'll do in class today. Some I'll send you as homework. Okay. I have to complete the work. So I'll put some more questions and send the same page. So don't write the questions. Okay. Don't write the question. I'll send you these questions on Google Classroom. Now coming to question number 1. Rupesh secures 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Just write question 1 of the worksheet. Okay. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. Find out, everyone. How will you find out the percentage and give the answer? Just raise your hand.
495 upon 750 into 100.
Correct. It is 495 out of 750. So find out the answer for first one. 495 upon 750. And now how will you write this?
have to write statements also. No?
Yes, you have to write the statement. Okay. Statement will be what?
Ma'am, you have to cut 10 from 100 and
Rupesh secures Rupesh secures marks
Total
is
marks
equals to 490.
750. Okay. Marks secured by Rupesh. How much? 495. Okay. So now you will write percentage. This is marks and iska percentage you have to find. So percentage of marks obtained is equal to 495. This step you will write. And then you cancel and then solve. Okay. Answer
you will cut 10 and 10 from 750 and 10 from 100.
Correct.
And then
5 se cut
495 then the 4950 upon.
One more 5 se cancel karo na. 5 2s are 10 and this is 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then 15 and 495 also you can cancel. 5 3s are 15.
Ma'am, 99. Ma'am, 99.
45 and 5 9s are. Yeah.
9.
Then again say 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. Now you are left with 33 into 2%. 33 into 2% is answer is 66%. Okay.
66%.
Yes. So answer I have done over here. Calculation, just cancel it. 5 से 2 बार cancel कराया. Then last में 3 से. Okay, first answer is 66. Those who have done, start doing second one. Answer I have written over here. So solve and find the answer. This is question 1. Should I raise question 1?
You have given options.
Ma'am, what is a typist?
Yeah, Rashta, what did you ask?
What is a typist?
Typist means one who types. Like in offices, na, people keep typists to type letters and all. Okay, and the document. Like nowadays we have computer, na, we type on the computer, right? So there is a typewriter and a typist types on the typewriter. Okay. Yes, Muni, what did you ask?
Ma'am, 66%. Ma'am, 66% is the answer.
Ma'am, you have given the answer in front of the question.
Right.
ma'am.
Solve and find the answer. Are you getting the same answer? That way, okay, I should not actually, I wanted to give this as homework so that you can check your answer.
Ma'am, what
But
is a
fine.
typist?
Typist is a
Ma'am,
person.
I want to say something.
You just think that she or he is a person who works in office, okay, to type letters and all and the documents.
Ma'am, answer is 66%.
That is given. Na? We have done first one. We are on
Yes.
second one.
Should I do
Now-
second one?
Second one, how will you do? All of you have read the question.
Should I do second
Ma'am,
one?
12 upon 100. You have to find 12% of the salary.
12
Okay.
Upon 100 into 15625.
to 1.5.
Okay,
Right.
okay. Give me the first statement. What will be the first statement? Tell me.
Monthly salary of typist.
typist.
Total salary
Salary
of
of typist.
monthly salary of
Monthly salary of typist.
Is equal to rupees 15625.
15,620.
Okay.
From
Now,
the
what is given?
increase of salary.
Increase
Increase for
in salary.
okay.
Increase percent of salary.
Yes, because it is percent given in percent. So increase percent of salary is how much?
12%.
12%.
So
Total monthly salary given.
so now this is given. Okay. So increase. Now you will write without percent. So how much is increase in salary? 12%.
12 upon 100 into 15625.
Correct. Very good, Amina. So you will write 12% of rupees 15625, which is equal to 12 by 100 into, because they have told it is 12% increase of the salary. So 12% of this much is 12 by 100. Now calculate 15625. Who will give me the answer? Lowest form and solve it. Anyone has got the answer?
Ma'am,
I'm going to get it.
Ma'am, 3750.
3750. Everyone is getting this. I'm not checking it. Tell me. This will be in rupees because 12% of rupees this much.
No,
will be-
ma'am, I am checking it.
Okay, tell me. This Munib has given me this answer. All of you, please give me answer. It can be wrong also, fine. Let us check it over here, but give me the answer. What is important is you should try, unless you are not doing it again. And don't give excuses during the exam that I could not do this and that because of this and that. Okay? When you attend the classes seriously, you would be able to
Ma'am,
get 50% of marks also.
ma'am, how you do lowest form is so easily, ma'am. Like,
Just see, common factor. Always think common factor.
We can divide also for big numbers with the number.
No, for big numbers you can divide, but you
Ma'am,
see that.
I got 1875.
Okay, 1875. Wait, I'll erase it. 3750, then 1875. Two answers I got. Okay, 1875. Others also give me the answer. See, Ibrahim, how do we solve it? You just check the common factor. 100 is divisible by 5, and this is also divisible by 5. So cancel by 5 first. 5 2s are 10 and 0. 5 3s are 15. 15 ke baad 6.
3125. 3125.
Correct. 3125. Abhi again it will
Ma'am,
go by.
how
1875.
Ma'am,
1875. Ma'am, 1875.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 1875. 1875.
I want to ask you this.
Then 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12.
Ma'am, 5 3 is 15, and then how come 62? Like 6 is not divisible by 5.
Ma'am, I also got 1875. ma'am.
5
Yes,
ones are 5,
ma'am.
and then
2.
what did you do?
Wait, Ibrahim, what is your doubt?
Like, ma'am, how you cancel and then how you do? Like, you add something and then you write.
No, we are not adding. I told you know how to solve it. Okay, I'm just making it. I'm just stopping it. No,
Yes,
it will go then. This question will go. Wait. What did we do? What did we do over here? Now see, Ibrahim, once again. This just
Ma'am,
comes.
3750 is wrong, ma'am. 3750 is wrong. I wrote the wrong answer. I found my mistake.
See, now just see those who have not understood the lowest form. I'm just doing it again. What you have to check, you know, you can cancel diagonally or top and bottom. If multiplication sign is there, you can always cancel top and bottom. Okay. Now check the common factor. Common factor, suppose I am solving this first. 12 and 100 को cancel कर रही हूँ. You know it is divisible by 4. 4 से पहले कर ले रही हूँ because 4 25s are 100 होता है and 4 3s are 12. So 2 से करेंगे तो again you will have to do it by 2. So यहाँ पे 3 and 25 no more further cancellation. But here we can cancel 25 5 के table में आता है. This will also come in 5 के table because last number is 5. When the last digit is 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. So I'll divide 25 by 5. What is 5? 5s are 25. And this is a big number. If you're not able to divide directly, you can write in rough and divide like 1, 5, 6, 2, 5 divided by 5. You solve it in the rough.
3125.
Ma'am, but you said we cannot cancel numerator and denominator.
You can cancel.
3125.
Always you can
Ma'am, 312.
numerator and denominator. Always you get confused, Amina. Numerator denominator is always cancelled. In multiplication, you can cancel diagonally also.
5 3s are 15,
Ma'am, but we cannot
and 5
cancel
3s are
numerator and
15,
numerator.
and 5 12s are,
There's
and
zero,
5 12s are
3125. ma'am.
62.
3125.
then 5 2 are 10.
3125, then 625,
Yes, 5
625.
and then 125, and then 25.
625 into 3 is
Ma'am.
1875.
Ma'am, I directly did with 25 and the answer was 625.
Yeah, 6.
So
You can
I
do it
multiplied
also.
by
25 into
by
3 is
multiplied
how
by-
much?
Ma'am,
Five.
187 is the correct, ma'am. 3750 was
And
wrong.
125.
7 6 3 5.
1875.
1875 rupees is the correct
Yeah,
answer.
so increase is 1875. Now, what have they asked in the question? Just read the question. Question is, how much, where is it? Find his new salary. So this is the increase. So what is a new salary now? What is the new salary? Tell me.
Then we will add the
Add,
previous
ma'am.
salary with this salary.
You will add this, the initial salary plus increase in salary. So your answer will be rupees 15625 plus 1875. What is the answer? Check your answer now.
Ma'am, the answer is coming 1875 rupees. So, ma'am, in the question after it, it is written
This is not answer.
17500.
This is not the answer. This is increase in salary. Question they have asked, find is new
Okay.
salary. So new salary is increase jitna aaya, you will add in the original salary. Understood? Total salary
Ma'am,
will be,
17,500, ma'am.
so you got correct answer.
Yes, ma'am. 17,500 rupees.
So this is your correct answer. Okay. So this is question number 2 that we have done just now. Now, those who have completed, start doing question number 3. Go through this question, then I'll come to you and ask everyone what to do in this question.
Ma'am, the answer is 17500, no?
Yes. Can I erase this question 2 solution?
Ma'am, I did not understand question 3, ma'am.
Okay.
I understood.
Those who have understood, start doing it. I'm erasing question 3, question 2 solution. Now, question 3 is 70% of the student in a school are boys and the number of girls is 504. Okay. Find the number of boys in the school. Now, 70% total students they have not given. Okay. So, 70% of students in school are boys, right? So, what percent is girl? What is the percentage of girl? या तो school में
30%.
30%.
30%.
30% ना, या तो boy होता है या तो girl होता है, right? So 70% if boys are there, then what percent is girl? 30%. So what you will write? Percentage of
40% of boys in a school.
Then you can find out, Abdullah. Question number 3, I'm doing it over here. Percentage of.
Oh, ma'am, I did not understand how we will find out the number of boys.
That's what I'm doing. Percentage of boys is equal to 70%. Then percentage of girls equal to 100 minus 70, which is equal to 30%.
And we can use X and also find out.
You can use X also, yes. Okay. So a number of girls, now number of girls is given. So percentage of girls you have found and number of girls also given. Number of girls is equal to how much?
504.
504. Okay. Now how will
So
you
we
do?
will write 70% by 100 into
No,
504.
Total number of, you will have to find X, you will have to take total number of students be X. Okay. Then 30% of X is how much? Then 30%
30/100 into X.
30% of X is equal to 504. Is this statement correct? 30% of total student is girls and total number of girls is already given. So I have written 504. So you can write 30 by 100 into X is equal to 504.
Yeah, we can also cancel 30, 0,
So X
and
की
3x.
504 upon 3 into 10. Okay. 3 से ये cancel हो जाएगा. 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 3 6s are 18, 2 and 3 8s are 24. So total number is 1680. Total number of student is 1680. So how many boys are there then? Number of boys are
1680.
this is total number of students. Either minus कर लो girls को या
680 minus 504.
4 और 70% of 1680 भी निकाल सकते हो.
Ma'am, we can subtract also, right?
Yes, you can subtract.
Ma'am,
Find out.
I
70.
did not understand the starting one, like how you find out. I did not.
1176, ma'am. Number of boys.
Answer is-
1170.
So either you use this one or this one. Okay, now I'm explaining this once again. Question में it is given percentage of boys, so I got percentage of girls. Okay, this step is clear. Now 30% of what? Total number तो given ही नहीं है, so we have considered total number of student be x. Now they have now 30% of x is girls, but number of girls तो given ही है question में, so I equated it 30% of
Ma'am,
x.
why you did 100 minus 70? Because 100%.
हाँ,
70% are boys. That's why you did 100 minus 70 is equal to 30%.
right? Because girls की value was given. So I had to find out related to girls. मुझे girls से ही पहले निकालना पड़ेगा because number of girls is given. So I have to use this. Okay, total number of students नहीं था. So that is why I found first the percentage of this thing, girls. And then number of girls is also given. So 30% of x is equal to 500. Understood?
And then you did number of boys like 70% of 1680 or
Given, na? Or you can do 1680 minus 504. See, percentage के form में दो चीजें हैं. Percentage के form में भी निकाल सकते हैं, numbers के form में, because they have asked in the form of number, so you have to find it in the form of number.
ma'am, so you multiplied by x and then what is our year, ma'am? What is this?
What this?
Our year.
किया ना? यहाँ पे किया. I'm doing it over here. 30% of x is what? 30 by 100 into x. It is equal to number of girls. Okay, 30% of total student is girls, so it is girls given. 0 से 0 cancel किया, so it is 3x by 10 is
And the
equal.
answer is 1176.
Yes. So x is equal to 10 goes here, gets multiplied. So 504 into 10 and 3 comes here and gets divided by 3. 3 से ये lowest form में किया because 5 plus 4 9 divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 यहाँ पे होगा. 2 remainder 20, 3 6 are 18 and 2 remainder 24, 3 8s are 4. So 1680 हुआ. 168 into 10 is 1680. Is it clear, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to question
Ma'am,
number.
please don't do question number 4, ma'am.
Don't do.
Ma'am, we will do it by ourselves. Then
Do it on your own. Okay, it's good.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
did question number 4. I got the answer 10900. Ma'am, I am doing question number 5.
Good, very good. Do question number 5. I'll not do question number 4. All of you are
Ma'am.
getting.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
for the third question, I got the answer 1680. But then why is the answer in front of it 1176?
1680 is your total number of students, Amina. Total number of students. The question they have asked is number of boys, not total number of students. Okay. So total number of boys will be number of girls को subtract करो उसमें से total students में से.
Yes.
Okay, how many of you have completed question 4? It is very easy. You can solve
Yes, ma'am,
question
I'm
4.
doing it right now.
And in question number 5, take total number of examinees as x. Then only you will be able to solve it. Abdullah, you have got question number 3. Answer for question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yahya, did you get question number 3 answer?
Ma'am, I did not understand question number 4.
Question number 3, did you get the answer, Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am.
No, question number 3, so I only did. Question number 4, I'm asking. Question number 4, Munir has got.
Ma'am, can you explain one time question number 4?
96% of this much. 96% of the cost of a TV is rupees this much. Means total cost ko X assume karo and then find out. Understood? Let the total cost be X. So 96% of x is equal to this much. And then solve. Fourth question, किसको किसको आ गया आंसर?
I'm not understanding question number 5.
Okay, I'll explain. Question number 4 में, first of all, did you consider x, Munib? Let the total cost be x.
Yes.
Ma'am, that's question 4.
I'm doing question 4. Okay. Let the total cost of TV be rupees x. So 96% of x is how much?
96.
Of total cost is equal to rupees
96%. 96% by 96 by 100 into
Now solve this
x
one.
into x is equal to 104464.
How can you solve, Ibrahim?
Ma'am, then we will do 96 upon 100 multiplied by x is equals to rupees 4.
Yeah. Solve it and find out the answer.
Until then, can you explain question number 5?
Ma'am, then 100 will go and then multiply with 10464, right?
Solve it and give me the answer. Okay, question number 5 is Munib. In an examination, 72% of the total examinees passed. Okay, 72% passed. So how many failed? You can find out. How many failed, Munib?
Ma'am,
What percentage? Give me percentage. Number to
ma'am,
give it.
first I did like this. Total number of
Boys,
exam.
girls, वाला question था ना Munib. Same way you have to do. Instead of boys, girls, here you have passed and failed.
Yes, ma'am, I got that. But ma'am, I did the same way. But ma'am, when I am doing division, no, it is coming in decimal.
Okay, I'll check it. Okay, first let me complete question number 4. Question number 4, anyone has got answer? Nobody is getting question 4 ka answer. Yahya
I
Abdullah.
got it was 10464.
My last step is
Okay, then I'm doing it over here. See what mistake you are doing it. 96 divided by 100 into x is equal to 10464. Okay, यहाँ पे भी lowest form कर सकते हैं, but I will do it over here. X is equal to 10464 into 100 and divided by 96. This thing you know, यहाँ multiplication है 96. 96 divided 100 से divided है तो 100 multiplies on the opposite side of bracket. Now we'll start dividing by 2. पहले 4 से भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? 4 से
Ma'am,
भी
first we will divide and then multiply.
First,
Like
yes.
it is big number.
First we'll do lowest form. So 4 2s are 8. 4 I'm dividing by 4. 4 4s are 16. यहाँ पे हो गया 4 2s are 8 and 2 यहाँ पे remainder 24 हुआ. So 6 4s are 24 और 0 हो गया. 6 नीचे आएगा. 4 1s are 4 again 24. So
Then I got the answer 2616.
again
I got the answer in decimal, ma'am.
decimal में आ रहा है. Okay, let me check it. 4 25s are 100. ये 4 4 हो गया और एक बार अभी मैं करती हूँ 6 plus 6 6 12 एक 13 14 15 3 से जाएगा 3 2s are 6 3 8s are 24.
Ma'am, 24 will not come in 100 table. 25 will come.
Wait ना मेरे को करने दो पहले. 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. अभी 2 से जाएगा 2 4s are decimal में नहीं आ रहा है. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6.
How much is decimal only?
2 6s are 12. 436 into 25, what is the answer? 436 into 25.
Ma'am, when I am doing now in question number 5 decimal, ma'am, it is coming bar also.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Ma'am, what will happen to 2 then? It will cut and become 1.
But if you will multiply 436 and 25, I don't think decimal will be the answer.
How will you get decimal, Amina? There is no decimal in 436 and 25.
Yes, there's no
No,
decimal.
I'm saying it will not come. It will not come in
No, it
decimal.
will not come. Answer is how much? Multiply 436 into 25. How much? 25, 4 is 100, 25, 6 are.
Ma'am, for the fourth question, I got the answer 10900.
You got na? So it is correct answer 1090.
No,
Ma'am,
I
but
got
I didn't. Ma'am, but I did it in different. I first did it like I first did 100 multiplied divided by 4, so we will get 20, and then 10464 divided by, it will also go from 4, so I got 2616.
I got
Ma'am,
1090.
I got 10900.
Then I cut
Ma'am,
to
got that only.
then I
Ma'am, I got 10900.
I got
Lowest form over here also. Okay. 4 से divide किया, 425 जा, 425 जा, 4 2 जा 8, 4 4 जा 16, 24 by 25 आया. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 10464 into 25 divided by 24. Okay, 8 से divide कर लो सीधा. 8 3 जा 24, 8 1 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24, then 0 and 8 8 जा 64. Again it will go by 3. 3 4 जा 12. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. So you are getting
Ma'am,
4.
instead, if it is long for lowest form, then we can simply multiply and then divide also, right?
तो पूरा टेस्ट यही होता रह जाएगा. You will multiply and इतना लंबा division you will get. How many digits you will get? Do you see 1046,400 divided by 96 you will do. So that will be a very time consuming thing. It is better to divide. ऐसा lowest form में कर लो तो बस थोड़ा सा multiplication रहेगा. ठीक है?
Ma'am, see, I have done like this. Means x equals to 10464 multiplied by 25. So I multiplied by 25. Then the answer is 261600. Then I divided, and the answer I got was 1.
So same thing you are telling na what Ibrahim told. See, you are doing this when no other method is there, but it will take lot of time. Okay, so better practice lowest form method.
Ma'am, the lowest form, this long numbers, I don't understand. Ma'am, I've tried so many times.
You have to do Ibrahim, because क्या होता है कि later on you'll be getting big numbers. Big numbers में multiply करना और divide करना में there is a large probability of doing mistake. That is why I make the number smaller and then multiply. ठीक है? So sometimes, many times you will get correct answer, but sometimes you might get wrong answer also. ठीक है? और एग्जाम में क्या होता है? टेंशन होता है, स्ट्रेस होता है, and you make so many mistakes. Knowingly also you make mistakes. So that is why practice this. And कितनी बार बता रही हूँ मैं कि divide ना, just देखो common factor कौन सा है and divide कर लो fast.
No, ma'am, then you do like 4 6 and then like 6 does not goes in 5 table, then you add 1 and carry. I don't understand.
So what did I tell you कि जब भी ऐसे divide करना होता है, like मुझे करना है इसको, wait, अगर मुझे इसको divide करना है 2 1 5, if I have to divide it by 3, ठीक है, तो I will divide 3 1 3 से जा रहा है because add ये 3 के में आ रहा है, 2 plus 1 3 and 5 8 plus 1
7
9.
3s are 20, 3 7s are 21.
तो 3 क्या किया पहले, 3 7s are 21, 21 से 21 कट जाएगा. इमेजिन, मेंटली करो, 21 minus 21 0, ऊपर से क्या आएगा, नीचे 5 आएगा, राइट? नेक्स्ट डिजिट इज 5 ना इब्राहिम, डिवीजन में.
Yes.
तो 5 comes down, 5 आएगा तो 3 1s are 3 होगा, but 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 रिमाइंडर बच गया, 2 और 1 नीचे आएगा तो 21 हो गया. So 3 7s are. So this way mentally करो, दिमाग में डालो कि डिवीजन कैसे. So 3 7s
Ma'am,
are
but when long number come, na, then I get very stressful and then I don't
That's why
understand.
you make mistake. अगर stress होता है तो अलग से लिखो यहाँ पे और divide कर लो.
Okay, ma'am. I will try my best for this.
But mentally वाला जितना because अभी तो छोटा class है ना, as you proceed do more and more question तो वो दिमाग में होने लग जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
To do it mentally also. Visualize in your mind कि division कर रहे हैं. Okay, question number 4 we have done. Now question number 5. Yes, Munib, how did you do? Tell me. Munib,
Yes, ma'am.
in an examination, 72% of the total examinees passed. So percentage,
Examinees BX.
हाँ. So पहले percentage of examinees passed, if I write, it is how many? 72%. 72%. Okay, so let total number. अच्छा, इसके बाद next statement fail वाला भी लिख देते हैं पहले. So percentage failed is how much?
X% of examination.
392. The number.
Amina, X will be total examinees. 72 पास हुए हैं 100 में से तो
22 ma'am, 28.
100 minus 72 is how much?
28%, ma'am.
28%. Okay, now ये तो percentage failure percentage आ गया और they have given कि failure number is 392. Okay, so number of failures is
I have one question. So, ma'am, we will use 28% or 28%, 28 by 100 into X we will do.
Ma'am,
Wait.
anything percent, so we will.
number of examinees. Total number of examinees हमको X लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, so 28%.
Ma'am, I use 72% here.
No, वो तो पास का नंबर आ गया. तो अगर वो निकाला है मुनीब, उसको टोटल में से माइनस करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Total you got.
Why did you subtract 100 with 72?
Actually, I got it.
This way. Why did we subtract? Because जैसे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में गर्ल्स का नंबर दिया था, यहाँ पे फेलियर्स का नंबर दिया है. तो I want failures का percentage.
I got it.
Because we have given in, they have given in the question pass का percentage. They have given failures का number, तो I want failure का percentage. Because percentage of failure is equal to number of failures. Okay, so 28 by 100 into X is equal to 392. 4 से जाएगा, 4 7s and 4 25s. So you have 7x by 25 is equal to 392. After this, I'm doing it over here. ऊपर top पे किया है. X is equal to 392 into.
Ma'am.
Yes. Upon 7. 7 से divide करके देखो ये जाता है क्या? जाएगा ये 7 1s are 7.
Ma'am, how did you got 28%? It is 72%, right?
100 minus 72 will do, then we'll get 28.
See, what is 72? Where is it? 72% is passed. See, they have passed. And what is given? Failure is 392. So I have to relate this number. I cannot relate it with 72% of total examinee. That is passed number. I want failed number. So failed number is 100 minus 72, which is 28%. Because examination में either pass होगा या fail होगा, right? So 72% pass हुए, तो कितने fail हुए? 28%. Understood?
Okay.
25 6 are 150.
Ma'am, you multiplying by 7, ma'am.
Divided by 7.
Oh.
This is the answer you got. Answer is written over here. Okay. So till 5th we have done. I will add some more question and send you as homework. Okay. So till
Ma'am,
5.
I want to ask something.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Yeah, ma'am, anything out of percent, like in that girls one question also. So you did 100 minus the girls number, so you got the percent. So like you did, then we will do the simple X method, and then we can find the total, total, right?
Two things are there, yes. If three things
Yes.
are there, percentage लगेगा. But out of, because percent is always out of 100. So out
Yes.
of 100, the total 100 examinees hai. So 72 have passed and 28 have failed. Understood? But percentage mein hai, that is. Actual number is different.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is why we take 100 minus 72.
So ma'am, 7x by 25 is equals to 392. Then we will do like x will become 392 into 25 and divided by 7,
Upon
right?
it, 7, yes. So I divided by 7, ऊपर नीचे lowest form किया, and then I got 56, and then here it is 25. So multiply 56 into 25, 1400. So total number of examinee is asked. I have assumed total number of examinee as X.
So ma'am, like 392 like 25 is dividing, so then 25 will now it will multiply with 392 and 7 will divide, right?
Yes. So before multiplication I divided it. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So that is all. All of you have completed till 5. Should I stop sharing now?
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, you will post this, right? I want to write the question. I did not write any questions.
Yes, I'll be sending this. I'll add some more questions and I'll send you by
Ma'am,
again.
I want to ask a question.
Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, I was telling that I multiplied by 394 multiplied by 25. I got the answer 9530. Then I
Then-
divided by 7. So the answer is coming in decimal.
That is what I am telling you ना कि ये बड़ा बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक होएगा ही. So that is why I am telling you कि पहले छोटा कर लो नंबर. Divide first, divided 392 by 7. Divided, see, easily divide हो रहा है.
So ma'am, first we will divide and then we will multiply, then we will get correct answer.
Yeah. Lowest form also you can do or divide also you can do.
Okay,
Easy
ma'am.
to divide ना, यहाँ पे तो divide ही हो जा रहा है. Umaira,
Yes.
why your camera is off? And Muhammad Muhammadi also. Those who keep their cameras off, they are not studying. I assume that.
Ma'am, I completed till 5th question.
Okay. So should I erase now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
I will write the questions at home.
Ma'am, I got the answer now 1400.
Yes,
Yes, it is correct. So, ma'am, 1400 are the total number of examinees, right?
And
Yes.
failure is 500 something. It is given na. Kitna hai failure? 390.
Yes, 392 are the failures.
If they ask how many passed, so you will subtract it from total 1400 minus 392. That is number of passed students. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But they have not asked it, so no need to do it. Okay, so bye. See you in the next.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, the last statement, what we have to write? I have got the total number of students 1,400.
That is the answer. Total number of students is equal to 1400. That is only asked in the.
But the question is percent of students, right?
Total examinees is equals to.
वही तो पूछा है. Total number of examinees only you have considered X. Okay.
Total
Understood?
examinees equals to 1400.
Yeah. Okay. Should I go then? Bye. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Don't end the meeting.
Okay. Who is the host then? I have to.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you are the
I'll make Abdullah host. Okay. Abdullah, you are the host now.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
हेलो, कोई है?
मैं हूँ बेटा, तुम कैसे हो बेटा? बेटा छोटा बेटा,
मेरा कोई मसाज कर लेगा, मेरा गर्दन दुख रही है.